Hi po, good day. My name is Dennis Bulaon from Sun Life Insurance of Canada. For today, I will help you to understand how online application works. Kapag po nag-a-apply po tayo or may interest po tayo to apply for Sun Life Insurance, pero malayo po tayo sa main office. So basically, once again, my name is Dennis Bulaon. I've been in the industry sa insurance for more than 6 years. So I help more or less thousand of clients na po sa Philippines and also other country po, mga OFWs po. So basically, mag-share lang po ako ng screen ko po sa inyo. So my name is Dennis Bulaon. I've been in the industry for almost 6 years. So before joining po Sun Life, I was with HSBC Life Insurance sa Singapore. So I help hundreds of clients sa Singapore, and then I also joined Sun Life Insurance of Canada. So meron po ako mga clients sa Pilipinas who are actually applying for Sun Life. So for today, there are actually two important things that we need to understand. First one, we have to identify or determine what exactly your needs. And second po, yung pong budget. So the first one is actually the needs. So there are comprises or compositions po ng life insurance. The first one is the life insurance itself, which is in colloquial term or layman's term po. Ito po yung tinatawag na death benefit or yung final benefit po na nakukuha po or matatanggap ng mga beneficiaries in the event po na mawala po si client or si policy holder. The other one is the educational plan. Third is the retirement plan, investment and savings policy, hospital plan, and medical plan. May mga riders po na nilalagay po kami sa life insurance sa major plan uh, that actually fits sa preference or needs po ni client. And then second po, yung pong budget. Regarding sa budget po, there's actually like a financial management rule or rule of thumb na 50-30-20 rule or ito yung sasabi nilang budgeting rule. 50% ng gross income po ninyo, let's say every 15th or 30th of the month yung sahod mo po ninyo, yung gross income, yung 50% of your gross income, kailangan mailaan yan for your needs. Then for the 30% sa wants, then 20% is for the savings. So dito na po papasok yung life insurance or yung sa investment. So kung kailangan mo ng life insurance, kailangan mo ng educational plan for your kids, for retirement plan, for hospitalization plan, and for other things, for investment plan. So we have to allocate 20% of your gross income to the savings or to the life insurance. So madali lang naman yung pag-apply. There are only some requirements. So si Sun Life, very simple, very standard ng mga requirements. So we just only require clients to provide their valid ID, government ID. Dapat meron siyang signature, SSS number or TIN. Actually, it's SSS or TIN, either or. Then photo and selfie with ID. Parang nandyan sa, sa picture po. Then general information sheet. And then initial payment of premium. So for the initial payment of premium, you can choose quarterly, semi-annual, or half-yearly, or annual, or yearly. Okay? So ito po yung mga general information that we always ask from the clients. So meron po kaming template nito. Sinesend po namin ito sa Messenger because we don't want our clients to fill out yung form by themselves. Kasi po mahirap po siyang i-edit. So kami na po ang gumagawa niyan or yung secretary po namin. So ito yung mga standard na mga questionnaires or mga information that we are asking from the clients to provide. So kahit sa Messenger, pwede nila itong i-edit. Then once they are complete or once this information are complete, they can just send us back through Messenger po. So kami na po ang mag-encode po nito. So after po namin makuha yung mga information, so ito po yung sample ng application form. It's a 10-page document. So i-encode po namin yung lahat ng mga information. Then kasama po nito yung pong proposal, yung valid ID, pati po yung pong payment transaction or receipt ni client. So ito example po ng proposal. It consists of 19 pages. So yung first page lang po yung pong ipapakita ko po sa inyo because it's also restricted and kailangan private. Private pa rin po yung mga information na to. So this is just a sample plan just to give you an idea. So ito po yung 5-in-1 plan. 25 years old male, non-smoker. So ito po yung minimum face amount which is 350,000 but it has a multiplier of times 2. So naging 700,000 yung death benefit or yung final benefit for the beneficiaries. So meron din siyang riders, additional benefits. So these are actually optional. We call it riders or yung mga add-ons. So meron siyang total disability benefit, waiver of premium, accidental death benefit, critical illness benefit, hospital income benefit. So sa mga susunod mga pages, meron silang mga comprehensive explanations how the riders work. So hindi ko muna siya ipapakita kasi meron din tayong mga iniingatan mga information, especially yung fund value or yung projected benefit na makukuha na for this certain age. So etong mga information na to, yung general information, i-encode namin sa application form na to together with the proposal form, the ID, the payment, and other documents. So magge-generate po kami ng link for the client. So ito po yung pong gagawin po namin. So once na-encode na po namin yung mga information, so after ma-receive po ni client yung link sa kanyang email o kapag sinend na po namin yung link, ito po yung gagawin ni client. So ito po for example yung cellphone number. So we will send a 6-digit authentication code via SMS to your mobile number to proceed. So client will send code. So ma-receive ni client yung code. Like for example, this one. And then he will be able to see all of the documents. So i-check muna niya, i-click muna niya yung view application form, view proposal, view client suitability assessment, then view client confirmation. And then i-click po niya yung add signature. So please add signature and your location. Then place your signature. Just draw it using your mobile phone or your tablet or your iPad. Then click apply to reflect your signature on the forms. Then once you click save, make sure po na all information are correct before you save para po ma-avoid po natin yung error. And then after signing the forms, click continue. Then upload the required documents. So you don't have to upload anything because na-upload na po namin yung mga ibang information. Then after hitting submit, wait for the confirmation email po and then you will be able to receive a congratulations message po sa email po ninyo. So ito yung ma-receive po ninyong document na hard copy after 1 to 2 weeks. And then ito po yung nasa loob po ng contract. And then you are also able to pay using video online or sa branch because we will provide one-time serial number or yung application serial number. Then another one is BPI, either sa branch or sa online. You can also pay using your GCash account. So just look for bills, then insurance, then Sun Life of Canada Philippines Incorporated, yung pong pangalawa, yung pong pipiliin po natin itong pangalawa. Then just input or enter the required amount to pay. Either magka-quarterly ka, semi-annual, or annual, you can do it through GCash. Then just enter policy number, app serial number, your policy holder's name, your complete name po, including your middle name, then your email address, so you are able to receive an email confirmation. You can also go to the branch or to paying online banking from Metrobank, Security Bank, And then once the application is approved po, after 1 to 2 days, just download sa iOS nyo, sa iPhone po ninyo, or sa Android device po ninyo, itong Sun Life mobile app. Then create account using your email address that you used during application. Create your own password. Then you are able to see and monitor your insurance na po. Okay? So, ito po yung mga other information na pwede niyo pong i-consider, such as yung pong mga other plans na pwede niyo pong applyan. So, normally, yung mga very famous po na ina-apply po ng mga clients ay yung pong 5-in-1 plan. Medyo naglo-loading lang po. So, ito yung mga plans na pwede niyo pong applyan. Aside po sa mga certain plan na ina-apply po ni client, just to give you an idea po. Ito po. Okay, stop share muna ako. Stop share just to make sure na makikita po. Okay. Ayan. So this is actually very famous, very, very popular po na ina-apply po ng mga tao. Like the Family One Plan, meron po siyang life insurance coverage, critical illness benefit, hospital income benefit, accidental death benefit, and projected investment. So for only 1,500 po, you can apply for the 5-in-1 benefit plan. And also, ito yung for educational plan, the Sun Smarter Life Elite. And health insurance plan, very comprehensive Sunfit and Well Advantage na it covers 114 major and minor critical illnesses. Then this is also a Sun Legacy plan, perfect for investment and retirement plan. You can pay one time or yung single lump sum, or pay twice or 5 times po. Then this is another one, the Sun Life Assure, which is 26 pesos per day. It doesn't have any cash value. That's why it's very affordable. So basically, pay as you go po siya. It's a 5-year renewable term plan. So you can get this one very affordable. Sabihin po natin na it's very cheap ang price po niya. Then the other one is the Sun Peso Maximizer. It's an investment plan. One-time payment po ito. You can choose from the denomination po ng peso or dollar po. Then for our senior citizens po, they can also apply for Sun Senior Care. So basically, ito lang po yung mga other information na pwede nyo pong i-consider to in applying for the Sun Life Insurance. So hanggang dito lang po yung pong explanation and other discussion po ng online application. So once again, my name is Dennis Bulaon. I'm your Sun Life Financial Advisor. So feel free to ask questions, or feel free to always reach me out through Viber, through WhatsApp, through email, or through Messenger po. So once again, my name is Dennis Bulaon, and God bless po.